Don't kick it too hard, Trevor.
Grrr.
Well, why did you do that, Trevor?
Hey, you, come over here. Fetch the ball.
Okay, why not?
Fetch the ball.
Hey!
You okay?